HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView Laptop, lightweight power for everyday use. Stay connected, productive, and entertained with the sleek HP Stream 14 HD BrightView Laptop. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4120 processor and Intel UHD graphics, this laptop is perfect for students, professionals, and everyday users who need smooth performance for browsing, streaming, and working on the go. With 16GB RAM and a total of 288GB storage, 128GB eMMC 160GB docking station set, you'll enjoy fast boot times, responsive multitasking, and plenty of room for files, photos, and documents. The 14-inch HD BrightView display offers crisp visuals, while the 720p webcam ensures clear video calls and online meetings. Stay connected with reliable Wi-Fi, and maximize productivity with Windows 11 in S mode plus a 1-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365, included at no extra cost. Wrapped in a stylish gold finish, the HP Stream 14 is lightweight, portable, and built to keep up with your daily lifestyle. Laptop computer key highlights: 14 HD BrightView display for clear visuals, Intel Celeron N4120 Intel UHD graphics, 16GB RAM for smooth multitasking, 288GB storage, 128GB eMMC 160GB docking station, 720p HD webcam for video calls, Windows 11 S mode 1-year Office 365, lightweight, portable, and stylish gold design.